Welcome to my video. This is vlog intake number 1. This is the life of a veteran entrepreneur. Hey guys, this is the beginning of a journey. This is the beginning of what we always look for to be successful in life. So I want to show you from beginning to end how I'm pursuing and building this dream, this multi-million-dollar company that we're about to start. We're putting all our learnings, all these years, everything that we've done, everything that I've done specifically as a military member, as a leader overall, how to lead troops into battle, how to lead teams, successful teams, especially in sales and recruiting, and in all the military assets that, call it whatnot. Also, my 10 years into real estate investment and everything that we've done, how successful we've been, our lows and ups, and there have been many more lows than ups. So I just want to make sure you guys see everything from beginning to end. Right now, I have the whole gym for myself. I worked out this morning, but we also had a little bit of a training today that I needed to make sure there was a lot of paperwork we needed to do. Not only I worked in the military, but I also did a little bit of my personal work. I'm gonna try to squeeze a little bit of cardio in and then head home to actually continue building the courses that we're actually gonna put out next month. Man, that was crazy. All right, so I finished my workout. It was great. Whew. Hey guys, you gotta keep going. This doesn't stop. In order to continue to be successful at it, I need to keep my mind and my body in top shape. Because guess what? In order for me to actually be able to get to the next level and everything that I'm trying to do in business and life, I gotta work on my body. I gotta work on myself. Guess what? You need to do the same every morning. Every morning, make sure you listen to something. Listen to books. Listen to motivation videos, audio, whatever you want. You know what? Subscribe to my channel. I'll put something out. I'll do the research for you and then put it out for you guys. But guys, hey, look, this is a vlog number 1 still. Actually, this is the life of a veteran entrepreneur. All right, see you soon. What's going on, Warriors investors? Vlogging week 1, still another take. Hey, actually, it took me a little longer this morning to put out some content. For some reason, I know the content. I reviewed it. And every time that I was going in front of the camera, I went blank. I guess we have that every once in a while. And, today was one of those days for me. And, I had to sit down and say, look, but I know this. Why am I was getting nervous in front of the camera for some reason. But just want to share that with you guys right now, heading to wash the cars. We got a couple things going on today. We actually had to shoot a couple videos for the course today. And we're gonna continue in the funnel that we're gonna be putting out. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Sometimes you got mental blocks, and you gotta stick to it. It's not always going to be perfect, but it will become perfect as you continue doing the job, as you continue doing the practice. It's like everybody says, muscle memory. Trust me. I'm not good at many things, but I know that every time I do it, I'm doing right or wrong, I always learn from how I'm doing it and what I'm doing. Keep your eyes peeled all the times. Ask for criticism. Take criticism well. See, because you not always want to put out content or any type of value add to others if they're not seeing it that way. You may not be seeing something that they can see why you're doing it. It's like having blind spots. Like I'm driving right now and I know there's a blind spot over here. But if I have a person that can see that for me and tell me, hey, you're about to hit a car, guess what? We don't get into an accident. Same thing in life, guys. We all got blind spots. Make sure that you always be coachable. Find a mentor. There's always someone better than us in anything that we do. It's always good to actually ask for help. Ask for help. That doesn't make you any weak or any less than what you are. I'll see you later, right? I'm gonna go wash the car real quick, just pick up some dry cleaning, and head out back to the office to build and to do some content, to record some videos. Okay? Hey guys, see you soon. Warriors Investors, the Alpha Tribe. I want to take you to some of the things that I'm doing, in which I'm taking this company from zero to where it's going to be. Our goal is to help thousands. What we're going to be bringing you guys is a lot of self-reflection, discipline, leadership, and mindset building. But at the same time, I'm going to show you, and I'm going to bring to you some investments, proven investment options that have been around for a while, and some of them have been backed by a group of teams or a group of individuals that I belong to. Some of them I try, some of them have not worked. So yes, I lost some money here and there, but that's the price of investment. But allow me to show you what worked and what didn't work. So if I could help any one of you out there to get to where you guys trying to go to and probably make your life better than what it is right now, even better than ours, please do so. Because my goal is to help others become what they dream to be. Now today I'm actually, I almost messed this up too. Let me see. I think I messed it up. I'm hoping that I could get this in. So obviously at the beginning of any company, as the owner, an investor, an entrepreneur, you wear many hats. One of them being you are part of the line, construction, supervising, managerial, administratively, all in one. That worked. Thought I was gonna mess it up. So today, I'll show you in a minute, but I'm engraving some notebooks with a company logo. I'm doing it myself. I wanted to learn. I wanted to try to see how it is. It's something that attracted, that caught my eye, and I wanted to take a crack at it. I wanted to at least know what it is to engrave something, so I could possibly, I'll tell you what, we're gonna be engraving a lot of things. There's gonna be a lot of personalized merch, shirts, you name it. But at the beginning, I want to know what is the quality, what does a person have to go through, a company has to go through in order to get something like that. I believe it gives me a little more of appreciation for what they go through, and that's something that I like to, you call it preach, but I like to actually talk to everybody, and everybody that I speak to, that I mentor, is always lead from the front, lead by example. Reading a book, The 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership, in which Dr. John Maxwell talks about the law of the picture. People do what they see you do. You could get blue in the face and telling them to do something as a leader, but if you do things completely differently than what you say it needs to be done, they will do what they see you do. An example of that is, if any of you have kids, you can tell your kids to do whatever they want, or whatever you want them to do, but they will always do what they see you do. So keep that in mind. You always want to lead by the law of the picture. And again, I'm gonna try to put some subtitles on this video. So I know that I have a heavy accent, but guys, if I could do it, if I have the guts to get in front of this camera with this accent and be able to reach many and be able to bring the message that I know that I have within me, that God gave me, any one of you can. We are built for greatness. We all have it within us, but we need that mentality. We need to work on this first. What is inside this box will always come out. So if you think you're small, you are going to be small outside. If you think you're great, you will be great. An example of that, I love to give examples. Another thing you'll hear me saying is story time, and I'll tell you a story. An example of that is We all seen how trees are born or come out of the ground, right? A tree is never born from the ground. A tree is born from a seed. If you take that seed and you keep it inside your house, an example of that, take a bean and keep it in that bag that you bought it from the supermarket. And it will always be a bean, will always be a bean. But take that bean, water that bean, put some good soil, put it in the backyard, and I'll guarantee you that you have a tree coming out of it. So, you are that seed. We are all that seed. Depending on how we feed our mind, our body, and our surroundings, that depends what we're gonna be. We're either gonna be a seed forever, and you'll never see us progress, go anywhere, or you'll flourish to become what you are meant to be. What God put you on this earth to be, the dream that you have in your head, the dream that you have within you. You choose which one you want to go. Many people, I'll tell you what, it's a weekend by myself. Many of my peers, my friends, are having fun. Guess where I am? And gravy make little bucks, right? But you know, I'm willing to sacrifice those little things. Well, I'm willing to do those little things now so I could then have and do the things that they cannot do in the future. Are you willing to do the same? Hey guys, this is the first video of the first week of the Warriors Investors vlog. I'm gonna be putting more information, be adding more videos to this, so stay tuned.